Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup on HUAWEI Mate 11.5 PaperMatte. Okay, as you can see, we are doing the setup process, but also we can restore the data later. I'll show you how to restore the data from the HUAWEI Cloud, then I'll show you how to restore from external storage drive, and then we are going to use the HiSuite app. If you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you all of the methods that I'll show you right now. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, so during the setup process we can click on Get Started, and now select your region and click on Continue, click on Agree and Continue. Now you can connect to your network, click on Continue, click on Continue once again. And now if you want, you can enable the lock screen password or set the face recognition. In my case I want to set it later because it's not necessary to do it right now. If you want, you can enable the parental controls. In my case I'll skip it. And now we have the HUAWEI ID. Let's click on Continue. And now that's the first moment when we can restore the data using our HUAWEI Cloud. So to do it we need to log in into our HUAWEI ID. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So give me a second. Okay, now I have logged in. Now we have our cloud. We can enable that feature later in the settings. It's not necessary to restore right now. You can always do it later in the settings. But I'll show you how to do it during the setup process. Now click on Enable and Continue. Okay, now select everything. Make sure that everything is enabled, then click on Continue, click on Agree. You can also enable the Find My Tablet feature, and we can also enable to send its last location. Click on Continue. It will help in case if our device will be lost or stolen. And now we can set the lock screen. It's not necessary, so click on Set Later. Oh, actually in here, when we want to do it, we need to set a PIN. So I'll create a simple one. Okay. Now, if you want, you can add the bank card. In my case, I'll skip it. Now click on Next. In here, we can enable the advanced features. In here, we can click on Join. If you want, you can enable or the share analytics. In my case, I'll click later. I'll enable the location settings. And now we have the thing that we wanted to achieve. So restore from HUAWEI Cloud backup. Click on that. And now in here we have a list of whole backups that we made on our HUAWEI account. In my case, I'll pick that one. Now select the data that you want to restore and then hit the button. Now the process will start. Okay. Data successfully restored. Contacts, alarm settings, log settings, and the camera settings has been successfully restored. It's also currently restoring apps and multimedia data. Make sure you're connected to a power source. Click on Next. Now you can change the navigation method. It can be gestures or the 3-key navigation. I'll stick to the gestures. If you don't know how to use them, you can always click on Learn. Okay, now click on Finish. And now we are ready to use our device. Okay, that was the first method. But give me a second. I'll also show you where you can restore the cloud backup. Because it's not, just like I was saying before, it's not necessary to do it during the setup process. You can simply set up your device as a brand new. And then you can click on the settings, then log in into your HUAWEI ID. It's right in here. And now click on the cloud. And if you want to restore the data, select your device, and in here you'll have restore button. Maybe now it will appear. But for example, I'll show you on a different device. Simply select the backup that you want and click on Restore Data right in here. If you don't want to do it during the setup process. Okay, that was the first method. Now let's go into the second one. Let's scroll down and let's click on the System and Updates. Now click on Backup and Restore. Now click on Data Backup. And now we can use the external storage or the HiSuite. I'll show you each option. Let's begin with the external storage. Okay, so select external storage, click on allow, and allow for everything, click on OK, and now we need to connect our memory card, USB storage, or something like that. In here I have my device, that's my USB storage. And just like I was saying before, if you don't know how to create the backups that I'm showing you right now, how to restore them, on our channel there's a video and I'm showing you how to create each backup. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, so now we need to plug in this device into our tablet. Plug it into the USB-C port, just like that. Now it should appear on the screen that it's available to select. Okay, here it is. Simply click on that. And now in here we have a list of backups. Select the backup that you want to restore. I'll pick that one. Okay, and now select the data that you want to restore. Okay, in my case it's only the gallery. So select it, click on Restore. Now enter the password that you have created before. I mean, that's the password that you had to create when you were creating that backup. And now everything has been restored. Click on Done. And basically that's all. We can unplug our device. And now let's go into the HiSuite. Okay, so now I'll go into my PC and I'll see you on my desktop. Okay, so now we are on my desktop, and now we need to use the HiSuite app. Now we need to launch it up. Okay, here it is. If you don't know how to download it, of course everything is in the video when I'm showing you how to create all backup methods, when I'm showing you how to create them. Now we need to connect our HUAWEI into our computer using the USB-C cable. So simply connect the device. Now select USB to transfer files in our app. Oh, actually it's made automatically. Now on our HUAWEI, allow for USB debugging. On your PC, click on OK. Now wait a little. The HiSuite appeared on our HUAWEI Mate. Now click on Agree. It's down below. The camera cannot see it, but it's right in here. And now click on Allow. And we need to type this code in our app. Now click on Connect. Okay, as you can see, everything appeared. And now to restore the backup, select Restore. Click on Allow on your tablet. Enter your lock screen, if you have one. Okay, authorization permitted. Click on OK. Again, click on Restore. Now select the things that you want to restore right in here. And click on Restore button. Now type the password that you also had to create when you were creating a backup. And click on OK. Okay, and now the process is running. We need to wait until it's finished. In my case, it won't take long. so I won't even speed up the video. Okay, everything is fine, but one thing didn't go as it should. I'm wondering what it was. Okay, that are the settings, but it didn't restore because the settings also has been restored when I was showing the cloud backup, so everything should be fine. Click on close, and that's all. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.